Today we're going to be talking about the dark side of lithium batteries, but first, my name is Steve Smith, this is TQA Weekly, and what do you do when lithium-ion batteries inflates, and what does it mean? Lithium-ion, lithium polymer, lithium metal batteries are currently the power source of choice when it comes to powering our devices, and whether it be computer mice, smartphones, tablets, laptops, or any other electronics devices that you have out there, including RC toys. I'm going to get into that. This amazing power storage medium does come with a dark side. This dark side. Now, many of you may never witness this happening, but this is a lithium polymer battery. It is currently bulging, which is, by the way, normal for RC gyrocopters of the size that I'm using. And what's in this that's making it bulge are gases. Charging and discharging lithium-ion, lithium polymer batteries does cause electrochemical oxidation of the electrolyte producing gases, usually caused by either faulty charging, overcharging, bad charging practices. Yes, this is for all those that don't know how to charge a battery correctly. And obviously there's also the end game, the age of the battery itself. Some individuals may be extremely lucky as to never witness that occurring, are having their device suffer the infamous battery bulge, which in some cases is very noticeable as it pops out the screen or separates the device into several pieces, or in most cases the device just doesn't power anymore. Needless to be said, if this is happening to you, there are a few things you're going to have to keep in mind. First, if you are currently charging a device, stop charging that device. If the device has a battery bulge in it, you do not want it to be plugged into the wall. One of the things that can happen is the battery can catch fire. Why? Because the battery charge actually already implies that the battery is outside of safe usage terms and has already bypassed all the safety mechanisms that are built into the battery. So if it's bulging, it's not safe anymore. Second, if you were using the device, turn it off. If you can disconnect the battery and remove it from the device, remove it immediately. You're going to have to put it aside so that the device's power source basically deflates. And if you can't remove it, you might want to wait for the device to deflate anyway, but you're going to have to see a repair technician to either remove that battery and replace it, or you're going to have to get the manufacturer to remove and replace said battery within that. Either way, it's going to cost you money, but the battery that they're going to put in is going to be safe to use, unlike the battery that's bulging in your device anyway at this point. If there are any curiosities about piercing this kind of battery, in any case, don't. It contains carbon dioxide and many other not good for your health chemicals that can seriously harm you. Also, exposing it to air can cause a fire in itself, which is along the same lines that we're going to talk about. If it does actually catch on fire, regardless of the fact that lithium ion or lithium polymer, lithium itself can catch fire when exposed to water, there isn't enough lithium in there to actually generate the fire that you would see in your science classroom. So you can put out the flames from that with water, with the exception of lithium metal, which is usually used in cars and bigger devices that need a lot bigger charges. Those will require a Class D fire extinguisher, so a foam extinguisher made specifically for that kind of stuff. Now, there comes the problem of disposing of the damaged or dead lithium batteries. Many manufacturers, including Apple, do take back lithium-ion batteries or lithium polymer batteries that they have built for them for their devices. In those cases, you can bring those batteries back to Apple or Samsung or whatever place that actually made the battery to begin with. In some other cases, it may be simpler for you to bring it to your city's recycling center. You can go to their website or call in and ask them about such services if they exist in your city, and that would be the best thing to do. Don't puncture the battery, don't do anything else to the battery, just submit it as is to them so they can be properly disposed of. Do not, under any circumstance though, be lazy and just throw it away in the garbage. I hope you liked this episode, so like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that you think benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, for everything else. And if you want to make this show better, go to patreon.com/TQAweekly and become a patron today. Patrons will get these episodes 24 to 48 hours in advance of everyone else. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.